how to manage notifications you want to receive on your email on Udemy, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage it. First, open your browser and then click on your profile here in the top corner, and here we'll find notifications. Now just manage here anything you want to receive. You can turn it off or on as you see, and you can enable this one. Don't send me any promotional emails, and then click save, and that's it. And I hope that can help you. Now just go back, it will be saved, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.